Una sa lahat, ma'am, happy birthday.
Thank you sa inyo lahat. To everyone celebrating my birthday with me today. Thank you.
Birthday wish, ma'am.
Of course, for PRRD to come home and for him to have more time with us.
Kamusta po pagpasok niyo sa loob? Today is your birthday, together with your father.
Yeah, so we went in, they sang a happy birthday song for me, of course, and then we started with a prayer. PRRD led the prayer today, so ayun, that was nice. And ayun, the same thing we talked about, family situations, and I asked him if he was okay. If he's okay, then he said, no guts, no glory. So, brave as always.
Ma'am, this is something different. This is a different birthday of yours. Ano pata po sa isipan ninyo na you are here celebrating your birthday but your father is inside the detention center?
It's quite the adjustment, of course. It's a whole new situation that I've never experienced before, not just for me, but for my whole family. So, somehow it's overwhelming, but to be able to celebrate my birthday with my family, I'm very grateful.
Kaya mo ba na,
Feel
ma'am?
very grateful.
Ma'am, how do you feel you're 21 right now?
Of course, more freedom. Ayun.
Pwede na mag-asawa.
Ayun nga, like my mom said, pwede nang mag-asawa. Pagod na siya sa akin. Inside, nagsumbong yung mom ko. Kasi at home, kami yung, syempre, babae, sigawan, bickering, bantering, all the quarreling, kami talaga. So, at home, ever since I was a little girl, PRRD was always the mediator. Anong problema dito? Tama na. Walang magsigawan, ganon. Then nagsumbong yung mom ko inside. Sabi niya, the house is chaotic nowadays. There's always shouting because you're not there to calm the girls down. Us, she was referring to us. Then he said na, he always says, if walang problema, don't make a problem na, and then better to just, not say anything. Syempre, ako na naman yung kinampihan ng dad.
As always. Ma'am, sabi mo nga, your father is really brave. Pero ikaw, you're also parang nagpapakita ng strong personality din. Saan ka humugot ng lakas?
For now, I think from him. I think when you're raised by a person like that, you get a lot of their qualities.
Agila, ha?
Were you able to dance with your father?
For a bit lang. Kasi medyo napapagod siya. So, yeah, for a